Hey, what's up guys, Aryan here and you're watching iPix of Tech. So OnePlus Nord has been recently announced and there is a lot of hype going around it. So should you buy it? Let's find out. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and press that bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. So OnePlus started off as making flagship killer smartphones, but now they've stepped into making flagship smartphones themselves. So they launched the OnePlus Nord as their budget offering in the mid-range segment. It is launched at a starting price of 25,000 rupees and it is not a flagship killer, it is just another mid-range smartphone but with Oxygen OS, and I like it. So let's first talk about the design of the phone. It comes with this glass back and plastic frame, and it is not a new design. We have seen this design in another phones too. And on the front it comes with this 6.44-inch Fluid AMOLED display with Full HD resolution and 90Hz refresh rate. So that is a great display. And on the internal side, it is powered by Snapdragon 765G chipset. Many of you have questions regarding how does it hold up against last year flagship processor Snapdragon 855. Well, Snapdragon 855 is faster than Snapdragon 765G, but in day-to-day use you won't notice much of a difference unless you are doing heavy tasks on your phone like playing heavy games or doing video editing, etc. Now you see there are two mobiles available at this price point for Snapdragon 855, the Redmi K20 Pro and the Realme X3, both of which comes with their respective OS. Oxygen OS on OnePlus is far better than those OS. And also Snapdragon 765G supports 5G connectivity, so OnePlus Nord will be more future-proof. Now if you don't care about these two things that much, you can go for the Redmi K20 Pro or the Realme X3 for faster performance. Let's move on to cameras on this phone. Well, there are 4 cameras on the back, a 48 megapixel main wide angle sensor, a 8 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor, a 5 megapixel depth sensor and a 2 megapixel macro sensor. Well, of these 4 cameras, only 2 will be more used to you and other will be more of a gimmick. So on the front it has 2 cameras, a 32 megapixel main sensor and a 8 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor. So you can take group shots. Well, the camera performance should be decent on this phone. Well, OnePlus says it's a flagship level camera, but I don't think it will be a flagship level camera. It will be a decent camera but not flagship. And to power this all up, this phone comes with 4115 mAh battery, so the battery backup should be decent on this phone. And to charge it up, OnePlus provides 30-volt fast charger in the box, and OnePlus claims it will charge up the phone from 0 to 70% in just 30 minutes. So that's a really fast charging. Now to bring down the price, there has been some compromises in this phone, like it comes with plastic frame and UFS 2.1 storage and USB 2.1 Type-C connector. So when the OnePlus Nord will be available to purchase? Well, the base variant of 6GB RAM and 64GB internal storage priced at 25,000 rupees will be available from September. For now you can buy the 8GB RAM 128GB internal storage variant. The sales will start from 4th August onward, and you can also pre-order it now on Amazon. And there is also a third variant with 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage that will be available from 6th August onward on Amazon. So should you buy the OnePlus Nord? Well, there is nothing extraordinary about the OnePlus Nord. Well, it is just more of a balanced smartphone. Well, like when Google made a budget phone, they gave you the best cameras, but OnePlus, they sort of make a phone with everything balanced out. So if you want a decent phone without anything specific, or if you are not looking for anything specific on your mobile, you should definitely consider buying the OnePlus Nord. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay safe. See you again.